Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today we're making mac and cheese bites. So you're going to start by cooking the pasta as directed. In a separate pan, we're going to add some vegan sour cream and some So Delish cheese. Going to add some seasoning, some parsley, some basil, paprika, garlic powder, and later you'll see me put in the salt and the crushed red pepper. I'm going to mix this until it melts on low heat, about 15 minutes. Now add the pasta to the pan and stir it until all the cheese coats the pasta.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
So now we're going to lay all of the mac and cheese out on a cookie sheet and just spread it as thin as you can so it will cool fast. It will take about 2 hours to cool. Just pop it in the refrigerator. After the mac and cheese is cool, you just need some coconut milk and flour to make your wet part of your dredge and some breadcrumbs. Take the mac and cheese, form it into a ball, put it into the flour mixture, and then cover it with breadcrumbs. We're going to do that until all the mac and cheese bites are made. Okay, when you're done with coating all of the mac and cheese bites, we're going to deep fry them. It takes about 3.5 minutes for them to get golden brown. Remove them and place them on some paper towels to drain. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget,